Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Sagittarius with the fire elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng overall energies sa buong buwan ng June. Okay, so let's see the energies for the month of June para sa ating mga zodiac sign na Sagittarius. Okay, achiever. Yan, it's about your accomplishment. Yan ha, okay. Competitor. Yan. It's like nanalo ka sa kompetisyon, 'di ba? Yan. Celebrity, may mga celebrities sa inyo ha, kilala. Yan. Maaring boxer kayo, 'di ba? Maaring artista, maaring sa social media, 'di ba? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Meron ditong tinatawag na Western Europe location. Kayo ba yan? Or somebody? Okay. Sa inyong family, kilala, di ba? O baka magtutur kayo sa parting Western Europa. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na athlete. Yan. Kayo ba ang athlete or merong athlete sa family ninyo? Okay? Aha. Meron ditong widow or widower. Okay? So, meron ditong tinatawag technologies. Maaring palaging gamit sa communication. Computer. Maaring may business, diba? Sa home. Baka ang kanilang bahay is punong-puno ng computer, laptop, di ba? Mga mobile. Baka yung kanilang means of communication is tinatawag na sa mobile or kung sa Pilipinas, cellphone. Okay? Abuse of technology. Meron dito. It's like nakababad. Maaring maghapon itong nasa computer or sabihin na nating a gamer, maghapon. Wala nang layasan sa computer. Okay? O kaya sa mobile, baka maghapon na itong nasa mobile. Death. Meron ditong loss of a loved one. Okay? Namatayan ba kayo? Yan ha? Okay. Meron ditong artist. Yan ha? Meron kayo bang artist? Okay? Or merong kapamilya? Maaring sabihin na nating tinatawag na sculptor, okay? Ano pa, painter, 'di ba? Model, baka naman may model, 'di ba? Yan, maganda hubog ng katawan. O baka collector kayo ng mga paintings, 'di ba? Yan. O baka itong professional nyo, professional trabaho mo, okay? Or maaring sabihin nating professional collector ka ng mga mamahaling items, 'di ba? Gaya ng paintings. Yan ha. Okay. So, okay, instruction. Yan, maaring kayo math teacher, 'di ba? Professor sa school, 'di ba? Master. Yan, mataas ang pinag-aralan nito, okay? Academic, maaring teacher ito, 'di ba? Mentor, pwede ha? Devotee or follower. Devotee kayo ng follower. Dito, maaring isa religious, di ba? Okay. So, let's see. Other energies. Okay? Ano ito? Earth disaster. Yan na. Sabihin na natin lindol, bagyo, di ba? Baka naging biktima. Baka merong na-damage sa properties, di ba? So, lumabas din dito, siblings, di ba? Yan. Okay. Meron namang, sino ito? Meron ba nakatira sa Northern Europe? Kung merong Western Europe, merong Northern Europe, or you are planning to go to ibig sabihin magtutor. Okay? Let's see other energies. Para sa mga Sagittarius with the fire element. Empowerment. Empower yourself with positive beliefs. Di ba? Harmony. Cultivate harmonious relationships. So, kayo yan. Diba? Love yourself. Self-love is the foundation of attracting love from others. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, bago ka pagkamahal mo sarili mo, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, you are attracting love to, 'di ba? Kung ano yung ina-attract mo, 'di ba? Kung halimbawa you hate yourself, ano ina-attract mo? Edi yung mga haters din, 'di ba? So, if you love yourself, ang maa-attract mo is mga taong the same energy, okay? Kagaya mo. Connection, build meaningful connections with others. It's about connections to people. Forgiveness. Forgive yourself and others to free your heart. Diba? Yan. Dreams. Dream big and believe in the possibilities. Okay? Yan. So, simulan na natin. Gagamit ako ng dalawang tarot decks. Yung isa is lahat naka-upright ha. At yung isa is mix. Ibig sabihin, upright and reversed. Okay? Salamat po. Simulan na natin. Okay? Sagittarius. Okay, the Queen of Cups. Yan ha. Family. Marriage. Okay? Other people, in-laws, di ba? It's about yourself, your inner voice, di ba? So, tingnan natin, ha? Okay. Maybe this is a family. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you do everything for your family. Okay? Maaring sabihin natin, lahat-lahat ikaw ang gumagawa. Di ba? It's like sarili mong fight. Di ba? Sabihin natin lahat. Pag-aaral nila, it's like you're the breadwinner. Di ba? Aring sa marriage, di ba? Para lang ang marriage is mag-last, ikaw lagi ang gumagawa. Okay? Ikaw ang nagbibigay. Okay? Watch your back. Okay? The 7 of Swords. Yan. Watch your back. Maaring dito sabihin na natin merong it's like stabbing your backstabbing. Baka may magbabackstabbing sa inyo. Baka ito yung mga kakompetensya nyo, kalaban nyo, di ba? Yan. May mga masasamang intention, di ba? So, kung nag-iisa kayo, magpakaon na lang kayo. Okay? So, nakikita dito, the 7 of Pentacles. Okay? So, it's about improvement. Okay? Yan. It's like one by one nagmamasteral. One by one nagmamanifest, okay? Nagkakaroon, okay, ng tinatawag growth, di ba? Relationship, at work, friendship, yan. Dahan-dahan nagkakaroon ng growth. Dahan-dahan, it's like kung matumal ang tindahan mo, dahan-dahan bumabalik uli, di ba? Sabi natin mga clients, sabi natin na nag-i-increase uli ang inyong kita, 'di ba? Yan no. Yan no, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na magkakaroon uli, yan no, ng grasya. Kung ito'y pera, mapupuno uli ang iyong cups, okay? So kung ito'y tinatawag yourself, 'di ba? Narito ang tinatawag Pisces, listening to your inner voice, okay? Kung ano ang gagawin mo din 'di ba? Yan. Maybe it has something to do about your work, your business, relationship, 'di ba? It's like gagamitin mo ito, 'di ba? Your last ace, okay? So ito yung tinatawag your hard work kakaroon ng payoff, 'di ba? Kaya dito dahan-dahan nakikita mo nagkakaroon ng progress. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng gains. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag pamamahinga. Okay? It's about your inner voice, inner self. Diba? Maybe, sabihin na natin, you need time. Okay? For yourself. Diba? Yan. Maaring ito yung tinatawag dreams. You are dreaming. Okay? Your dream is very, very big. Kaya may isda. Okay? Yan ha. So, maaari ito yung tinatawag, love yourself. Maybe it's about time to take relaxation, 'di ba? Away from the noise, away from the, yan, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin, dive ka sa deep ocean. Okay? Sagittarius. Okay. So, whatever is this, it's like it has something to do about forgiveness too, 'di ba? Kung may nagkasala sa inyo, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng pagkakasala sa iba, it's about forgiveness, healing, repairing, 'di ba? Repairing your soul, repairing your energy. Yan ha? Okay. So, naririto, tinatawag the tower. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, it has something to do, if it has something to do about your body. Okay? Your body. Anong body? Your health. Diba? It's time. Ibig sabihin nito, you need time for your health para makarecover. Diba? Yan. So, kung ano ito, it's like, whatever is this, relationship, diba? Ano tawag dito, career, work, whatever, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng result, growth, di ba? Yan. Maaring windfalls of money, attraction, di ba? Partnership, relationship, new relationship, di ba? So, since ito ay dalawang major arcana, okay? The moon and sandali lang, ha? Okay. Ano number to? 18. Ito naman is 16. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yan ha? It's about pagbabago. Okay? Out with the old, in with the new. Okay? It's like sabihin na natin, kay mayroong business, maaaring ito yung tinatawag, it's time to renovate. Diba? Kaya ito, yan na. What your soul, yan o, kita ninyo, di ba? Yan, your inner voice, di ba? Kung ito ay halimbawa sabihin natin, teka, kailangang iparenovate ko, magpalaki. Halimbawa sabihin natin, palitan ko ang pintura ng aking business, di ba? About, halimbawa sabihin, at work, di ba? About relationship, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag malaking pagbabago. It has something to do about your mind, how you interact, how you entertain them, di ba? About your mind. How you, kumbaga dito, paano mo haharapin, di ba? Yan. Kaya ito, ibig sabihin nito, nagkaroon ng tinatawag awakening, di ba? A big understanding, forgiveness, di ba? Connection, yan ha? Okay. Para magkaroon ng harmony, di ba? Empowerment, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, if it has something to do about magkakaroon ng accomplishment, okay? It's going to accomplishment from here to here, okay? Yan. Pwede rin ito yung tinatawag na you are ready to face your opponents, di ba? If you're an athlete, ibig sabihin nito, yan ha? Nakarecover ka na sa pagod, nakarecover ka na sa, halimbawa, if you're a boxer, di ba? Na-healed na yung mga suntok-suntok sa katawan mo. Di ba? Yan. So, yan lang po ang nakikita ko, ha? Let's see the other energy of the tarot. Okay. Okay. Yan, ha? Energizing. You need to energize your psychic, okay? Block, you have to work. Maybe you need to tinatawag na breathing technique, okay? Or you need a yoga, a meditation. 'Di ba? Para magbukas uli ang inyong tinatawag na third eye. Your inner, para marinig mo uli ang inner voice. So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito is scattered. Okay? Hindi grounded. You need to ground yourself. You need to ground your soul. Di ba? Wag scattered. Maybe na-distracted, yung tinatawag, nadidistract kayo sa mga noises. Di ba? Yan. Na-distract kayo sa tinatawag na surroundings. Di ba? Kaya dito, ibig sabihin nito, your soul is not grounded. It's like, namamasyal, na kung saan naroon, di ba? Kaya dito, Ibig sabihin nito para maging grounded, 'di ba? Relax, ibig sabihin silent, quiet. Yan, your soul, 'di ba? Kailangan you have to be grounded. Okay? Okay. So, ano pa? Sandali lang, ha? Okay. Since narito, yan, ha? Yan. Wait. So, ibig sabihin nito, maaring may katalunan, natalo. Okay, there are losses. Yan, nagkaroon ng losses. Let's say, sabihin na natin sa competition, sa business, sa trabaho. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, nakuha ang corona sa iyo. May nakakuha ng corona. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, kung ano itong mga hinihintay ninyo. Yan, ha? May mga hinihintay kayo. Yan. So, naririto yung tinatawag na what you are experiencing dahil narito on the depth, di ba? The depth is in a reverse position. Yan, ha? Hindi pa nadating. Wala pang tinatawag na result, di ba? Yan. So, whatever is this, yan. It's about what you want, di ba? What you desire. Okay? Hindi pa nyo natatanggap. Okay? So, narito yung tinatawag, maaari ito yung tinatawag pagbabago, okay? It's like, may pagbabago ng inyong desisyon, ng inyong plano, di ba? Yan. Dito sa tinatawag, the Knight of Pentacles to the world, di ba? So, maaring for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, maaring mag-upgrade, going back to school, di ba? Repairing, di ba? Yan. Or additional investment, additional loan, di ba? Yan. Yan, ha? So, kung ano itong mga hinihintay ninyo, di ba? Okay? Maaring may mga hinihintay kayong kung ano man yan, di ba? Maybe money, loan, di ba? Business, clients, di ba? Agreements, okay? Yan. Yan narito ang tinatawag na the world. Yan, ha? So, that's what I see for you, okay? Since narito, tingnan lang natin lahat ng major arcanas niyo. Pagsasamahin ko lang, ha? Okay. So, narito ang the death, di ba? Yan. In a reverse position. The moon. Okay? Sandali lang po. Pakihintay lang at pagsasamahin ko at marami kayong major arcana. Okay? Okay. Yan. So, sandali lang ha. Okay? Ito is number 13. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung nangyayari. What you are experiencing. Yan ha. Cannot avoid. It's like, kailangang padaanin mo, okay? Hindi mo pwedeng mabago agad-agad, okay? Yan. Hindi pwede itong persahing mabago, okay? Yan. So, narito ang tinatawag. Sandali, ha? Okay. Ano ga ang the high priestess? Number 2, okay? Yan. Sandali, paintay, okay? Pinagsusunod-sunod ko lang, okay? Yan. Ano ito? 13, 21, 9. Yan ha, sandali. Dito ha, dahil kasi lumabas ilan ang major arcana. 6, okay? So, ito is the moon, okay? The moon is 18, okay? So, dito siya. Okay, sandali lang. Pahintay. A little patience, okay? 13. Okay, 16. Okay, yan. Yan, okay. So, ano sinasabi ng inyong tinatawag na 6 major arcanas, di ba? So, it's about your, merong naka-black ang kanilang intuition, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi nila, it's about visualization, di ba? So, naka-black, wala silang, it's like hindi nila makita, di ba? The result, yan ha. So, for some of you here, ibig sabihin nito na it's like maaring na-abuse, di ba? Yan. na-abuse yung kanilang, o kaya nagkaroon ng, ano tawag dito? Calcium deposit. Masyado ang calcium deposit sa kanilang tinatawag na pituitary gland. Okay? Doon nagsisimula ang tinatawag intuition. Okay? So, marito yung tinatawag, you need to change, okay, your eating. Yan, maaring for some of you here, tinatawag hindi balance ang kanilang eating, yung eating habits nila, 'di ba? Maaring sabihin na nating baka masyado ang fried chicken, 'di ba? Processed foods, 'di ba? Mga chichirya, soft drinks. Kaya dito, ibig sabihin nito, naapektuhan yung kanilang tinatawag na pituitary glands where the intuition doon nagsisimula. Okay? Yaan. So, ibig sabihin nito, maybe it has something to do about your health too, di ba? Your body. Yan ha. Baka humihina ang inyong immune, di ba? Baka palagi kayong sinisipon, di ba? Humina. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you need to help. It needs healing, di ba? Maaring sabihin na nating pagpapahinga, masyadong pagod. Yan ha. Kaya hindi mag-work. So, for some of you here, if you are waiting for a sign, hindi mo makita because your soul is somewhere else, hindi grounded. Okay? Yan, hindi grounded. So, you have to ground your soul, di ba? By means of, let's say, quieting your mind, okay? Or get more rest, di ba? Yan. Para dito, yung tinatawag na mabuksan uli itong iyong tinatawag vision, di ba? Your mind, your soul. Di ba? Para marinig mo lalo ang iyong inner voice, okay? Something sa buhay ninyo is it needs an attention. Yan ha? Okay. Something in your life needs an attention. Maybe a marriage life, children, siblings, relatives, parents, okay? Health, your body, their health, your business, your career, hanap buhay, 'di ba? Maybe your house needs, okay? Attention. Okay? Yan. Maybe your relationship, kung sino itong people with authorities. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag para magkaroon dito ng success dahil narito on the world, sumunod ang tinatawag na the moon. Okay? Sandali. Ano ba ang una? Okay. So, ilalagay natin dito. Yan ha? Okay. So, ito. Kasi tinakpan ko lang. So, ibig sabihin nito from the tower to the moon. Okay? Yan. Kailangan nito yung tinatawag na calming your mind. Okay? So, and heal. Okay? It's like tinatawag, calming your mind, ground your soul. Okay? Yan. Para dito, magkaroon ng tinatawag result. Big result. Yan ha? So, that's it I see for you. Okay? Whatever is this, yan ha. Kung ano man ito, it needs an attention. Yan ha. Calm your mind. Ibig sabihin nito, calm. Okay? Ikalma mo ang iyong isip. Okay? Para dito, lumabas ang tinatawag na it's a sign, di ba? It's like through your heart. Okay? It goes up to your mind. Okay? So, that's it I see for you. Thank you very much.